Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a BeautyRest electric heated blanket and it's giving you an error E2 and it's not heating properly, and you're wondering what this is and how to get rid of it. So first of all, the E2 error, it has to do with when the blanket is getting electricity, obviously, because it's able to show the error, but it's not getting enough electricity in order to heat properly. And the reason that this is happening 99% of the time is that the connections of electricity, there's a problem somewhere along the line. So what you want to do is you want to turn it off and unplug it. And then you want to check all the wiring going in and out of the controller and in and out of the blanket, and make sure you don't see any damage or anything disconnected there. The next thing you want to check is if you had it plugged in via an extension cord or a power strip. I want you to plug it directly into the wall and not from a power cord, not from a power strip, or not from an extension cord. And that might get rid of the error, and if it does get rid of the error, that means that the power strip or the extension cord that you're using is not heavy duty enough and you can't use that, and you should use a different one, or if you can, plug it directly into the wall and make sure it's snugly plugged in. So if you do all those things, you should be able to get rid of this error. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.